The different municipalities and city comprising the province of Lanao del Sur in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM region. The province of Lanao del Sur has the city of Marawi as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group. It is composed of one component city, 39 municipalities, and 1,159 barangays. It was founded on May 22, 1959. The total land area is 3,872.89 kilometers squared or 1,495.33 square miles. The province of Lanao del Sur is bordered clockwise from the north by Lanao del Norte, Bukidnon, Cotabato, Maguindanao, and Iliana Bay. Here are the different city and municipalities comprising the province of Lanao del Sur in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM region. We have the municipality of Amay Manibilang with 17 barangays, municipality of Bacolod Calawi with 26 barangays, municipality of Balabagan with 27 barangays, municipality of Balindong with 38 barangays, municipality of Bayang with 49 barangays, municipality of Binidayan with 26 barangays, municipality of Buadiposo Buntong with 33 barangays, the municipality of Bubong with 36 barangays. We also have the municipality of Butig with 16 barangays, municipality of Calanogas with 17 barangays, municipality of Ditsaan Ramain with 35 barangays, municipality of Ganasi with 32 barangays, municipality of Kapay with 20 barangays, municipality of Kapatagan with 15 barangays, municipality of Lumba Bayabao with 38 barangays, and the municipality of Lumbaca Unayan with 9 barangays. We also have the municipality of Lumbatan with 21 barangays, municipality of Lumbayanage with 22 barangays, municipality of Madalum with 37 barangays, municipality of Madamba with 24 barangays, municipality of Maging with 34 barangays, municipality of Malabang with 37 barangays, municipality of Marantao with 34 barangays, and the city of Marawi, which also serves as the provincial center or provincial capital with 98 barangays. We also have the municipality of Marogong with 24 barangays, municipality of Masiu with 35 barangays, municipality of Mulundo with 26 barangays, municipality of Pagayawan with 18 barangays, municipality of Piagapo with 37 barangays, municipality of Picong with 19 barangays, municipality of Puna Bayabao with 25 barangays, municipality of Pualas with 23 barangays. We also have the municipality of Sagiaran with 30 barangays, municipality of Sultan Dumalondong with 7 barangays, municipality of Tagoloan with 19 barangays, municipality of Tamparan with 44 barangays, municipality of Taraka with 43 barangays, municipality of Tubaran with 21 barangays, municipality of Tugaya with 23 barangays, and the municipality of Wao with 26 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Lanao del Sur in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.